In this video, we'll describe how to export evidence in multi-camera database format. Ocularis Client allows exporting evidence as a multi-camera video database, which lets you review an event as it unfolds through an entire set of cameras. Since database export retains the original format of the recorded video, it is especially useful in cases where the authenticity of the video evidence needs to be assured. Once exported, the video database can be played back right from Ocularis Client, or it can be loaded onto portable media along with a proprietary viewer application. This allows viewing the evidence on another computer, such as a courtroom computer, that does not have Ocularis Client installed. A few words about video database exporting. Exported database files may be very large, and therefore they're not usually suitable for electronic distribution. Database export is available only in Ocularis ES, CS, and IS. It is not available in Ocularis PS. Authorization to export a video database from a certain camera can be enabled or disabled per user group level by the system administrator. To export in database format, you need to first transition to browse mode and designate a range for export on the kinetic timeline. Move the timeline to the starting point of the exported segment and click on the Segment Start button. Do the same for the endpoint of the exported segment. The selected segment will turn purple. You can extend or reduce the segment after it has been designated by resetting the start and end points. Click on Export in the main menu and select Database Format. Enter the full path of the destination folder for the exported clip, or click on Browse Folders to select a folder or create a new folder. Enter a file name for the exported clip. Choose the cameras to be included in the database export. The Available Cameras list shows the cameras as displayed on the screen, regardless of whether they were part of the original view or manually selected by the operator. For each camera, check the Audio box to include audio. The next checkbox will package the Ocularis Viewer utility in the same destination folder as the exported database. This is required if the recipient of the exported evidence does not have Ocularis Client installed on their computer. If you want to encrypt the clip, enter a password for opening the database and check the Also Encrypt Video Data checkbox. Click Export to begin the export process. As in the case of exporting AVI files, the encoding process may take a number of minutes, depending on the length of the exported segment, the number of cameras, and the frame rate and resolution of the video. You can follow the encoding process by clicking on Jobs in the main menu. You can continue working during the export and even run a number of export tasks simultaneously. Once the export process is finished, the following will be found in the destination folder: a .oml file, a folder named Data. If you chose to include audio, a corresponding WAV file will be generated for each camera stream. And if you chose to include the Ocularis Viewer utility, also a folder named Ocularis Viewer. To transfer the database export to another user, simply copy the entire export folder onto portable media, or burn them onto a CD or DVD using any off-the-shelf burning software. The process of playing back an exported video database is described in a separate tutorial video.